Tired of your phone dying midday? The Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh portable charger is your ultimate solution to staying powered up no matter where life takes you. Packing a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, this powerhouse can charge your iPhone 6 over 6 times, making it perfect for long trips or busy workdays. What makes it truly special is Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology, which intelligently identifies your device to deliver the fastest possible charge. With dual USB ports, you can easily charge 2 devices simultaneously, say, your smartphone and your tablet, without waiting. No more carrying multiple wall chargers or fighting for outlets. This Anker PowerCore is the reliable, portable power bank you've been searching for. Anker's renowned build quality means this isn't just a battery. It's a durable, long-lasting investment in keeping your devices alive. Ready to experience true charging freedom? Find the best deal on this amazing portable charger via the link in the description below. Whether you're a traveler, a student, or just someone who needs consistent power on the go, this Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh is an absolute game changer. Forget about frantically searching for charging stations. Grab this essential tech gadget and stay connected in 2025 and beyond. For anyone needing a top-tier, reliable portable charger, I highly recommend the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh. Click that link now to get yours.